This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change the currency in Squarespace. Whether you're running an online store or simply displaying prices in a different currency for your audience, it's essential to know how to update your settings easily and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the website for which you want to change the currency. This is your starting point, and from here, everything is just a few clicks away. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. From this menu, you need to click on Settings. This section is where you can customize a variety of preferences for your site, including currency, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Language and Region. This is the area that controls how your site interacts with different languages and regional settings. Click on it and you'll be taken to another page with more specific options for tailoring your site to your audience's needs. Now, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Site Currency section. This is where you can set the currency that will be displayed throughout your Squarespace site. Quite handy if your audience is international or if you're planning to expand your business into new markets. When you reach the Site Currency section, you'll notice a drop-down menu displaying your current active currency. For many users, this might be set to USD by default. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of available currencies you can choose from. If you're looking to change to a specific currency, like the Philippine peso, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it more quickly. Simply type in PHP or Philippine peso, and it should pop up right away. It's always ideal to use the search function to save time, especially if you're unsure of where the currency is located in the list. Once you've found your desired currency, simply click on it to select it. This action will update the currency setting for your site. But there's one more crucial step to ensure these changes are saved. Finally, you need to click the Save button. This step is vital because it confirms your changes and updates them across your site. Without saving, any adjustments you've made will not take effect, and you'll have to start over. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on your Squarespace site. This process is straightforward, but it's an important one to master if you're managing an international business or catering to a diverse audience. Remember, being able to present your prices in the currency that's most familiar to your audience can significantly enhance their experience and help you better connect with them. With these steps, you're all set to update your site's currency whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing!